And Sam, wait, show Sam.
Sam.
And guess what we're on? We're on a beach trip! Woo!
Woo, 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 woo. Beach trip in the day.
Yeah, hey, and it's like 6:20 something.
6:27 in the a.m.
It's exciting, so we'll see you when we're later in the trip.
It's gonna be viral.
Hello! Oh shoot, it's steering up. Hi everybody! Hello. Why did we go right to it?
I don't know.
Anyway, Sam's here in the
I
back.
can't do British accents.
Hello.
Hello.
Going to hello.
Chip cheerio.
Chip chip cheerio.
Doodly-doo.
We're an hour and 15 minutes away from the beach.
Woo!
Burning rubber smells like Cheerios.
Yes, that is something we've discovered.
Yes.
Tell them again just in case they didn't hear you.
Burning tires smell like Cheerios. Maybe it's just like these tires, but they smell like Cheerios.
Not our tires. The
Oh,
truck.
not
Yeah,
the
yeah,
truck.
there's-
Okay.
Our tires aren't burning. We promise.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks for the update, guys.
like we're just chilling.
Yeah, we're almost there. We've been singing and jamming the songs.
We went to a rest stop, and I went to the bathroom.
We did.
I did too. I went to the potty. Go to Sonic,
Oh, okay.
and then what's the other place? Steak and Shake.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat at both places because we're fun.
Also, make this video go viral so I go famous. My name is Sam.
So you go famous? You want to go famous? I want to go famous.
Put you on a wall, and it's so hard to say it.
Stuck in traffic.
There's a freaking accident because people are freaking
Rubbernecking
like,
everything.
oh my goodness, just drive. No need to look.
So we're less than an hour away.
We're just in this one little red spot of annoyingness. We're 32 miles away.
He's awake, us.
Sam's still here.
Oh, okay.
Sam's still here. The baby's awake.
I barely slept for that long because Alyssa started cursing. Not that Alyssa, the
Me?
driver.
Sorry. Because I'm mad. I just saw a sea of cars and was like, what the hell?
That wasn't exactly the word you used.
I was like, what the
Oh, hi, I'm singing Bees in the Trap.
Hi.
Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap.
Bees in the trap.
We're not good at tanning.
Yeah, we're not. Me and Sam asked her, which side do we lay down on? Where do we face? And I had my sunglasses on. And then let's get some pillow.
I wanted to get a pillow. Nikki.
We haven't even turned around yet. This is the first. We are so impatient. We've been singing. Is this the fifth song yet?
Oh my god, one more song.
All right, you'll see us hopefully when we turn around. Hi guys, it's Sam driving.
I hate this.
Oh, okay.
I hate driving.
Be loving you till
With 17.
Remember this song, guys? Hi guys.
Sonic.
We just came back from the beach and now we're at Sonic and then we're gonna go to Steak and
I
Shake.
put lotion in my eyes, so I have to take out my contacts. Not on purpose.
And I'm pretty sure all of us got sunburn, like, under here.
Yay,
We all
magic
look
sunburns.
We're at Steak and Shake, Mudda Truckers. Ooh, my lips are burnt.
How do
Oh
you
my
know?
gosh.
It's freaking hot.
like a wave the ocean just can't control. Connected by a feeling, ooh, in our very soul, very soul. Rising timidly, so everyone can see. We're breaking, we're soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can breathe.
So by the time you see this, I'm already in Europe, and I will not have communication because I think it's going to be pretty hard to get Wi-Fi. There's no Wi-Fi on the cruise unless you pay, and I won't pay. Just want to enjoy it, really relax, and so I'm just taking as much time with my friends first before I go off. I will be on the cruise for 2 weeks, so yeah, I'll see ya. Bye.